Welcome to another super video. Today, nobody's here, so it's only me. Today, I'm gonna be seeing of this thing in the microwave. Like this thing. I'm gonna see what would happen to all these candies in the microwave when you microwave them for... I'm actually microwaving them for 2 minutes or 1. Yeah. Comment down below what I should microwave, but not like something bad. Yeah, so do everything to help us like subscribe and like the video. And comment down below what you guys think would happen. Like, we have a crunch bar, which I'm for suring that would melt. We have bubble gum. We have Tootsie Dots. We have Dum Dum Sucker. We have Strawberry Pez. We have a watermelon Jolly Rancher. So let's get ready. Need to grab like probably this. Sorry, I'm just almost out of plates, yeah. Okay. First one is these. We're putting 2 in. Go to the microwave. Restart. So I'll be right back. 1 minute is starting. So 1 minute is done. Nothing really happened to the gumballs. They just kind of feel hot. Yeah. The next thing are the dot candies. I put on the dots on the plate. Okay. Like 4. There they go. I'm back, you guys. Wait a second. There's like smoke coming out, so I turned on the fan. And I see too that the dots, look, they melted. That's magical, you guys. Yeah, you guys should do this challenge. But be careful how you're microwaving stuff and if there's smoke coming out of the microwave. If you have a fan that's like a blow fan, promise to turn it on. Yeah, I think I might have to keep it on now. So as you can see, the dots all melted and now turned into jelly. Yeah. But the microwave hasn't melted this dot. But that's kind of not jelly. It's like, it is now dry how dots usually are. Yeah. Okay. Just have 3 more. I mean, 4. Crunch, Pez, Sucker, Jolly Rancher. Which one? I actually want to microwave these 2 things together. I don't want to microwave those. This challenge is kind of dangerous, too, yeah. Okay. This time I'm microwaving it for 1 minute and 1 second. Ready? Go. Don't you see? The end of that one. The last thing. No smoke. Do you? I'm going to clean. I'm recording. So, I can see you guys. The Pez just got hot, but I think what happened to the Crunch bars, it melted. That's delicious. Comment down below. Which item do you think was good to do? Well, that's all for today. Remember to subscribe, like our videos, everything can help us. So bye.